This is Sort 14 in the Blue Book, and we're looking at adding ION to base words, and there's not a spelling change. So let's go ahead and look at what that means. These are our headings. We have a base with CT, TION, base with SS, and then SION. So if we look at over here first, we have a word like collect. And then collect, collection. And what I really want you to think about, well, first of all, there's not any spelling change, right? We just add on ION. But the other thing to think about is in here, try and hear collect. You don't really hear the C that clearly. But in here, collection. Collection. You hear that C a lot more because the ION is working with that T to make the shun sound. And so it's kind of an interesting thing that happens there. We also have over here, we have like express and expression. So express has two S's, expression has two S's, but we break that up. The one S stays with express, and another S goes with the ION to make shun, express, shun. So both times we have no spelling change, but we do have some sound changes. So we have subtract, subtraction, subtraction, select, selection, connect, connection, protect, protection, and construct, and construction. So you can just hear the C better, but do notice that there is not a spelling change. All right, then over here we have possess and possession, confess and confession, discuss and discussion, oppress and oppression, impress and impression. So there's your whole sword. Now the other thing I wanted to talk to you about is this little note I have over here. ION means the act or result. If you think about it, our ION versions of our word are kind of, they have a similar, they take from the root in their meaning also. So like collect, that might be like you're collecting baseball cards. But a collection is the result of doing that, or the act of well, in that case it's the result, right? We end up with a collection. Subtract, however, when we take things away, subtraction is the act of taking things away, subtraction. So you can see those connections between these. That ION is the act or result. Same over here, express and expression. So if I express myself, one result might be the expression on my face. If I confess something, I have given a confession. That's the result. So, anyway, those are your words for this week. Make sure you write them down and post any questions you have. Try and get real close so you guys can see.